Hello and welcome. This is Bijan Bishar.
After Package Tracer opens up, it will show this kind of display. It has toolbars on top and bottom. In case any of them is not showing for you, click on View, Toolbars. Make sure Main Toolbar, Secondary Toolbar, and Bottom Toolbar are check marked. If I remove the check mark from the bottom toolbar, you'll notice that the bottom toolbar is going to disappear. I need that. I'll bring it back up by putting a check mark alongside that one. Now, Package Tracer has categories of devices in the bottom left-hand side, and each one that you select, the devices within that category are going to be displayed. The leftmost icon is called networking devices. If you select that one, then routers, switches, hubs, access points, and firewall will be displayed that you can select from. For example, if I select the subcategory for the router, all routers, Cisco routers, are going to be displayed. If I want to add 2811, I click on it, drag it, and dump it in the working area. If I select the second subcategory for the networking devices, that will be switch. If I want to add a switch, I click on it, drag it, and dump it in here. Now I'm adding a 2960 Cisco switch to my Package Tracer file. If you want to add end devices, you select the second category that's called end devices. If you do that, then all the end devices are going to be displayed in here. You want to add a PC, you click on it, you drag it, you dump it. You want to add a laptop, you click on it, you drag it, you dump it. You want to add a server, you click on it, you drag it, and you dump it in the working area. The next category is related to cables. If you select that one, which is called connections, all the different types of cables that we need are going to be displayed. The ones that we are going to be using are copper straight through, crossover, and serial for serial connection, plus console cable. If I want to connect a PC to the switch, I need a straight through copper. I click on it, my cursor changes to connection, click on the PC, click on the fast Ethernet, then click on the switch and select one of the Ethernet ports that are available. I go with the first one. Now, after a while, that link light is going to turn to green. If I want to add the laptop, I can click on the laptop, fast Ethernet, click to the switch, fast Ethernet 02. If I want to connect the server, I'll do the same thing. If I want to connect the switch to the router, I can do that. As you notice, router comes with two fast Ethernet, a console and auxiliary. Console and auxiliary are not for data exchange. Fast Ethernets are, so I click on that. Now I have created a network that has a PC, a server, a laptop, a switch, and a router. This link light is red, and it's not going to turn green unless I configure the router's fast Ethernet 00 with an IP address, subnet mask, and no shutdown, which is not part of this course. Now, if I want to label the devices, you'll notice that the name of the devices are not displayed. It's because under Option, Preferences, I only selected Show Link Lights. Okay, if I select Show Device Model and Label, Show Device Name Label, the names are going to be displayed. If I select Device Model Label, the model is going to be displayed. I don't like it that way. I just like the link light, and also show port label when mouse over in the logical workplace. In order to show you how to label, I'm going to remove that option as well. Now, if you want to label all these devices, you can place note by clicking on the icon called place note, and then click in the work area and type anything that you want to name that server 1. Click over here, router 1, space 1, PC 1, PC 1, laptop 1, laptop 1. And then you click on the item on the very left hand side to change your cursor to the pointer. Then you can move these things around. You can move this to make it a little bit smaller, put this one underneath, put that one over there, and you can label the ports as well. If you have added a device that you don't need, you want to remove it, you can click on that item in the menu called delete. So you click that one. After you click that one, your cursor changes to delete, and then you can delete. You immediately need to change your cursor to select, not to delete anything else. Packet tracer can be saved as a file by clicking on File, Save As, and save it anywhere that you want with any name that you want. So you can open it up later on. This is a demonstration for Packet Tracer.
Thank you for watching. If you liked the video and you found it informative, please don't forget to recommend it to others who may be interested. Thank you.